Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with another iftar recipe and also watch the video till the end where I will be sharing extra make and freeze for one more recipe which will be shortly coming on my channel. Now let's get started. I have taken 1 cup of urad dal, nicely wash it and soak it for at least 2 hours and grind it into fine paste. To that I am adding ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. Nicely give it a good mix. The first tip, which is a very important tip, is nicely beating or whisking this batter continuously for 5 minutes at least. You can take intervals in between, but this step is very important for making nice fluffy and soft spongy dahi vadas. Even before frying the vadas, you have to give it a nice whisk for 1 to 2 minutes. The batter color will be changing to little bit pale color. That is how you will know that the batter is nice and fluffy and airy. Now you can see I am using a spoon to make the vadas. You have to every time dip the spoon in water, then take the batter. And if you do like this, the vadas will just very easily slide out of the spoon. If you are using your hand to make these vadas, even then you have to dip your hand in water, then drop the vadas in the oil. Now you have to deep fry them until golden brown. Not too dark, it should be little light. As it is nice, airy and fluffy, they will be cooked until inside, do not worry. Most important step for dahi vada is whisking the batter. That is only going to make it nice fluffy, and you should also grind it into nice fine paste. Now you can see all our fried vadas are ready. Now it is next step. Next step is you take a nice wide open pot in which I have taken lukewarm water. To that I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt and little bit of hing or asafoetida. Then mix it well. In this water we will be soaking all the vadas for at least 20 minutes. The vadas will just puff up into double the size. You can see that. Nicely these vadas have absorbed all the water. Now you can see I am squeezing out all the water and place it in the serving tray. As we have squeezed out all the water, now the vadas are ready to absorb more liquid. You can see how nice fluffy they are. For the first soaking, we will be using little liquidy yogurt. For that reason, I am taking 2 cups of yogurt and salt and sugar to taste. Add little bit of water and nicely blend it. At this stage, you should use very liquidy yogurt for soaking these dahi vadas. Because liquidy I am using is all these vadas will just again soak all this. They will absorb it fully and become double in size. All the liquid or the water we added will be absorbed. Now second level of soaking, thick yogurt. I am not adding any water in this. Same sugar and salt. Nicely give it a good mix and layer this on the top. On the bottom we have the liquid dahi or yogurt, which will be keep on making the vadas more softer. On top we will be layering nice thick layer. Now I have taken 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, followed by 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you don't like red chili or the spice level, you can also avoid it. And next what I am using is mint chutney. This is homemade mint chutney. It is very simple and easy. Coriander, mint, salt, lemon and chilies grinded. And this is the dates and tamarind chutney. And followed by these are sweet bundis. Sweet, sour and nice spicy combination is very nice with this dahi vada. You can see nice soft sponge like these dahi vadas are. Sure, follow each and every step. You will end up making such lovely spongy and fluffy dahi vadas. This is the second recipe I was telling. The remaining batter I am just making small pulkis, which every time I make medu vada or dahi vada I will be making this and freezing it in the freezer. Whenever you want to make chaat, you can use this. Following in couple of days I will be sharing the recipe for this chaat also. I just made these pulkis and stored it in the freezer. If you freeze this and keep, it will be so helpful for you to make instant chaat. Soon I will share it. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.